Hey there, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to perfect your LinkedIn profile, specifically if you're in the manufacturing industry. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure your profile picture is professional and inviting. A clear headshot with a natural background works best. Remember, first impressions count. Next, let's optimize your headline. Instead of just a job title, let's make it more descriptive and engaging. For example, experienced steel sales manager, helping clients find the perfect steel solutions. Now, let's move on to the summary section. This is like your elevator pitch, so make it count. Highlight your experience, skills, and what sets you apart in the industry. And don't forget to use industry-specific keywords throughout your profile. This will help you show up in searches by recruiters and potential employers. Now, let's spruce up your experience section. Use bullet points to highlight your achievements and quantify your impact whenever possible. For example, increase steel sales by 30% within the first year. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of recommendations and endorsements. Reach out to colleagues, clients, supervisors for endorsements of your skills and recommendations of your work. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can perfect your LinkedIn profile and stand out in the manufacturing industry.